Hello and welcome to short tutorial videos on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add GTM in WordPress through a plugin. First we need to go to the Google Tag Manager. So I assume that you have gone this far. Now check the GTM ID. The GTM ID is over here. You just copy the GTM ID, then go back to your WordPress dashboard, search for the plugin. The plugin would be named as GTM for WP. This is the desired plugin we are actually looking for. I've already installed and activated this plugin, so you have to do the same thing. Then again go back to the installed plugin, and look for GTM for WP, and here you are. The Google Tag Manager ID should be placed in the placeholder right here. After placing the Google Tag Manager ID, click Save Changes and go back to your Google Tag Manager account and click Preview. Click on Connect. We have successfully added the Google Tag Manager ID in WordPress. Thank you for watching the video.